The Commission has instituted a new policy regarding fees that are returned as unpaid. Policy Memorandum Number 2 states the following. The Commission shall impose punitive fines for those replacement funds that are received by the Alabama Real Estate Commission within certain timeframes, and the respondent agrees to a consent decree plea of guilty. The punitive fines are as follows. 0 to 15 days from date of notification is $100. 16 to 30 days from date of notification is $150. 31 to 60 days from date of notification is $250. 61 to 180 days from date of notification is $500. The process of this new policy requires that the Commission send a consent decree to be signed by the respondent, explaining that they're pleading guilty along with an explanation of the fee assessment that will be imposed. If the respondent chooses to plead guilty and pay the assessed fine, the respondent is required to return the fully executed consent decree along with the assessed fine to the Commission. The legal staff will present the consent decree to the chairman of the Commission for signature and approval. Upon signature, the consent decree becomes an order of the Commission. If the respondent chooses not to sign the consent decree, they will have the opportunity to present their case to the Commission. The consent decree is completely voluntary.